everybody. So lesson 2, rocks and soil, a review. Everybody pay close attention. Your homework tonight is going to be a quiz. And it'll be one of the quizzes where you only get one try, okay? And we'll send the results. We'll send how you do to Miss Han in charge of science. And I can see it. All right, so make sure that we pay close attention today so we can do our best. All right, homework, let's take a look. Susie, what did you put under soft?
Cotton, wool, and fabric.
Very good. And Susie, do you know what leather is?
Yes.
Let's take a look at this picture. Leather like a belt or a leather purse or a leather jacket. It's made from animal skin. So do you think that a leather jacket feels soft or is it hard?
Soft.
Soft, good. So just one thing missing there, very good. All right, nice work, Susie. This one is Alex, and Alex, I like what you did here. Alex, what did you put under soft?
Fabric.
Fabric?
Cotton, wool, and leather.
Very good. And what did you put in the middle?
Plastic, because plastic is hard, so I don't have enough space to put, so I put at the top.
I see, okay, very good. Nice work, Alex. Here is Robert. Robert, very nice. Robert, what did you put under hard? What did you put under hard?
So, what's this?
This word is ceramic.
What is it?
All right, that's a great question.
Ceramic, metal, brick, plastic, ice, wood, diamond, and glass.
Excellent. So ceramic is made from clay. You can shape it, play with it, turn it into a cup, into a bowl, into a vase to hold flowers. And then you put it in an oven and make it really, really hot. And it gets harder and harder and harder, and then we can use it. So we turn clay, soft clay, into hard, something hard, and that's called a ceramic bowl, a ceramic cup. Everyone say ceramic.
Ceramic.
Ceramic. Very good. Excellent job. Thank you, Robert. Here's Nick's. Very nice, Nick. This one is Thomas. So see, Thomas put plastic on the soft side, and that's why I like that Alex put it in the middle. Plastic sometimes is really hard, but plastic can also be soft. It can bend. We can push in a plastic cup. I think plastic is more hard, but I also think it could go maybe in the middle because a plastic cup is a little soft, just a little bit. Good job, Thomas. Here's Perry's. Aw, Perry, you even drew the pictures. Excellent work, Perry. Very well done. Very nice. Here's lions. Very nice lion. Tway Ann. Excellent job, Tway Ann. Cotton, leather, plastic, fabric, wool. Very nice. And potato. Very good job, potato. Nice work. All right, guys, let's go into the fun part of today's lesson. First, everyone take a good look at these pictures. So, here's a picture of some rocks. I want to know, how can we sort these rocks into groups? How could we sort them into groups? John, how could we sort them into groups?
We see the color.
All right, we can sort them by color. Very good. So remember, color, size, shape, those are properties. Jeffrey, can you please read the brown box for me?
We can sort them by their properties. What are some properties of rock?
Can you one more time say properties? Say
Properties.
properties. So we can sort rocks based on their properties. What are some properties? John already said color. Color is a property. It's part of what something is like. What's another property? Jack?
Shape.
Excellent. Shape. Did you have another one?
Size.
Size, very good. We can Good. We can sort them by color, by shape, by size. What's another one? How about potato? What's another property? So smooth, and what's the opposite of smooth? Smooth, and everyone, what's the other word? What's the opposite of smooth?
Rough.
Very good. Smooth and rough. Remember, guys, these are textures. Everyone say texture.
Texture.
Good. Texture, how it feels. So we can sort it by texture, color, shape, size. And what about the other one I'm looking for? Leo, what's another one about how it looks?
Answer is shiny.
Very good.
And dull too.
Very good. Shiny and dull. Excellent job, Leo. Very good. So these are some properties that we can use to sort these rocks. So let's have Tui An. Can you give me a property? Tell me one of the ones we've said.
The property. Which color?
All right, which color? Excellent. Tui An wants us to sort these based on color. So everybody, let's circle the rocks that are red. Circle the rocks that are red. Very good, looking good, everybody. I want you to draw an X on the ones that are black. Which ones are black? Draw an X. Or not even just black, but dark. Which ones have a darker color? Very good, I see Pony. I see Susie. Now, I want you to draw or stamp a heart on the ones that are light colored. Which ones are light colored? They are light. Nice job. All right, guys, good job, Leo. We have officially sorted by color. All right, who can give me another property? Lily, can you pick another property other than color?
Shape. Size.
Size, all right. Lily wants us to sort by shape. So everyone circle the rocks that are round. Which ones are more round? Which ones are more round? Very good. Nice, Leo. Good job. All right, now I want you to put an X on the ones that are more of a rectangle. Which ones are more of a rectangle? Put an X. Good job. Very nice. All right, let's do one more. I'll pick this one. Let's circle the ones that are shiny. Which ones are shiny? Very good. Good job, Thomas. I also think that one's shiny. Very nice. The white one as well. Good job. And now put an X on which ones are dull. Which ones are dull? Very nice. We also have smooth and rough. Very good. All right. Let's remember the size of sand, silt, and clay. Think about it for a moment. Go ahead and draw a line from the grain to sand, silt, or clay. All right, good job. Nice, Tuan. Leo, good job. All right, excellent. So this biggest one is what? Everybody say it. Good. And the smallest one? Good. And the medium-sized one? Good job, Silt. Excellent work, everybody. All right, so you guys know the drill. Go ahead and draw. Nice, Thomas, Leo, good job. Good job, everyone. Jeffrey, I should see you drawing. All right. What about shiny and dull? Go ahead and draw. Which ones are shiny? Which one is dull? Excellent work, everybody. And last one, which one is big and which one is small? Excellent work. So good. Excellent job, everybody. So we're going to skip these. That way we have more time to play the game. But first, here's the deal. I'm going to start from texture. Now I need to know down or up.
Down.
Down. Okay, 1 second. Let me write this here just for everyone. Okay, down. Sounds good? Ooh, I'm a worm. I'm going through the soil. All right, excellent. Next, let's have pirates. Down or right?
Right.
All right. Nice work. Okay. Ben, can you say texture is, and then read the definition?
Texture is what an object like.
Good. Say feels like. Feels like.
Feels like.
Excellent job. Texture is what an object feels like. Next one. Great work. Property. Perry, down or right?
Right.
Okay. All right. Jack, left or right?
Right.
And then left or right? Or up or down?
Down.
All right, nice work. And let's have, John, can you say property and then read the definition at the bottom?
Property is one part of what something is like.
Excellent job. So texture is what something feels like. Property is one part of what something is like. So texture, the texture of something is a property. Texture, color, shape, size, those are all properties. All right, guys, let's play our Mario game. All right, you can get 1 to 5 points. And don't worry about this. And there's 1 star worth 10 points, okay? And I'll keep track here. If you get one of those, you get no points. None at all. Okay. So let's start. Let's start with Pony and Leo.
I pick letter A.
All right. How does a soil sample with lots of sand in it feel? Think about what sand looks and feels like.
Sticky.
All right.
Smooth.
All right. So let's think about this. Some clay, which is really, really small, might be what? Kind of soft and fluffy. Does sand at the beach feel smooth? Sand is the bigger pieces, remember? If a bunch of big chunks, big pieces of rock, of sand are in your soil, do you think it'll feel smooth? What do you guys think?
Sticky. I think sticky. Sticky. Sticky.
Maybe sticky, but definitely rough. Think about having big chunks of rocks, bigger rocks in your soil. It's gonna make it rough and bumpy. Okay, so no one gets a point there. Sorry, maybe you'll have a second turn. Let's try and be fast, everybody. All right, John and Perry, go ahead and pick one.
3. Number 3.
Okay, number 3. What is true about soil? Is it made of small pieces of rock and once living things? Is it a mixture of only dead plants and broken rocks, or is it a mixture of sand and water?
Mixture of water.
Once living thing.
I.
All right, John says A. Perry?
C.
B. Class, what do you think?
A.
Very good. Small pieces of rock and once living things like plants and animals. Oh no. John, this is the one that gets... They're all worth no points. So far, we have no points for anybody. This is a challenging one. Let's have Alex and Ben. Go ahead and pick a letter and number. Which one?
1.
Number 1, okay. Where are natural resources found? In space, deep below Earth, or near Earth's surface?
Or near Earth's surface.
says C. What do you think, Ben?
Yes, I think that is good.
All right, class, what do you think?
C.
All right, excellent job, guys. Yay, we have points. 5 points for Alex and 5 points for Ben. All right, next let's have Jack and Jeffrey. Jack and Jeffrey.
What? Letter J.
Letter J, okay. That rhymed. Color, shape, and size are blank of rocks.
Key.
All right, Jack says properties. Jeffrey, what do you think?
Properties.
All right, everybody, what do you think? All right, good. It's properties. Texture is another one. Color, shape, size, texture. They're all properties, part of what something is like. Oh, another 5-pointer for Jack and Jeffrey. Nice. All right, next let's have Lily and Nick. Go ahead and pick a letter, Lily or Nick.
Number 10.
All right, number 10 it is.
Which one is the best cover? The rock and rock.
Okay, Nick says rough.
Rock.
All right, you both say rough. Very good, it is rough. Lily and Nick get 4 points each. All right, next let's have, good job guys. Next let's have pirate and potato. Which one do you guys want?
8.
8? All right, 8. What things break down to make soil? Only bits of rock, once living things, or bits of rocks and once living things? What breaks down to make soil?
C.
Pirate says C, potato. Only bits of rocks, only once living things.
And once living thing.
All right, class, let's read the answer together. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Okay. All right, 3 stars for pirate and potato. Next, let's have Robert and Susie. Go ahead and pick one, Robert.
Now, Susie.
All right, Susie, go ahead.
G.
G or E?
G.
G, okay. Which type of soil has the smallest bits?
B.
All right, what do you think, Robert?
Like Susie.
You have to pick your answer, Robert.
The same answer.
The same answer, B. And is the smallest bits, is it sand, silt, or clay?
Silt.
Silt, what do you think, Susie?
Clay. Clay.
You're right. The letter is B and it is clay.
What?
5, nice. 5 for Robert and Susie. Okay. Thomas and Tway Ann, you guys are our last 2, and then maybe we can get some second turns. Go ahead and pick which letter you want.
I choose letter H. Letter S.
Okay. What do all plants, animals, and people need to live and grow?
Water.
Yeah, that was an easy one. Nice work, guys. right, go ahead and pick one.
Actually, number one.
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 And no points for Thomas and Hui An. Nope. Okay, so Riku, and let's start back with Leo.
Number 7.
Okay. What texture does this picture show?
Fuzzy.
Fuzzy.
Fuzzy. Good. Fuzzy. Nice work. Which one?
I choose number 3. Why does this happen?
Leo has no points so far. I'm sorry, Leo. Okay, everyone has had one turn, and we don't have enough time for everyone to have 2 turns. So we're gonna stop there. We have Alex, Ben, Jack, Jeffrey, Robert, and Susie with 5. Nice work, guys. Lily, Nick with 4. Congrats. Pirates and Potato with 3. Nice work. And then Riku, Pony, Perry, Leo, and John have none. Good job, guys. Let's go through a couple of them. What is a natural resource? A pot for a plant, all the living things in a place, or anything from nature that people can use? Everyone say the answer. Very good. C. What is true about water? Water breaks down rocks. Water changes once living things into rocks, or water gives rocks a red color. What does water do? Ready? 1, 2, 3. All right, I hear a lot of B. Does water change once living things like dead plants and animals into rocks?
Yeah.
No, water can't change dead plants into a rock. So what's the answer, everybody?
No.
A, water breaks down rocks into small bits. Water breaks down rocks into small bits. What is soil? Everybody, what is soil? The top. These rocks are all shiny. Which is something that breaks down rocks? Living things, sunshine, or wind?
Wind.
Very good, wind. All right, you draw the once living things you see in the soil. What on this list is a once living thing?
C.
All right, it is C, bits of tree bark. Rocks are non-living. Tree bark is once living. That means it used to be alive, but not anymore. How does a soil sample with a lot of sand in it feel? Let's remember, what's it feel like when there's lots of rocks in it? Good, rough. Thomas is observing soil samples. He sees that one soil sample is black and the other is brown. What property is Thomas using to describe the soil samples? Color, texture, or size?
Color.
Very good, color. Which senses do you use to observe shiny and smooth rocks? So how do you know it's shiny and how do you know it's smooth? Is it sight and touch, smell and sight, or touch and smell? Good, it's A. You use your sight to see it's shiny and your touch to feel that it's smooth. Which one can water easily move through?
Sand.
Very good, sand. All right, this is made of dead plants and animals and only dead plants and animals.
Humus.
Good, humus. What makes soil have a different texture? The size and shape of the rock bits, the nutrients, or the amount of water in it? What changes the texture?
Nutrients of wetlands and animals.
So the nutrients only changes how well the plants can grow. What would change the texture, how it feels? Remember, sand feels a lot different than a little piece of clay. So the answer is going to be A. The size and the shape, are they round? Are they rough? That's going to change the texture, how it feels. Letter A. Your homework is a quizzes, and you only have one try on this one. So make sure you do your best. It's on everything that we've learned in lesson 2. So do your very, very best. And I will see all of you in class on Monday. Have a great long weekend, okay? Bye, everybody.
Bye.